Hello, Darin Martineau here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about Hofzinser. Um, Johann Nepomuk Hofzinser um, was from 1806 to 1875. He lived. He was a very incredible magician. He was an important in the history of magic. During the 1800s, and there are many inventions by him. He's an Austrian magician who created salon style of magic and also known as parlor. Johann Nepomuk Hofzinser, though these are not recognized in the literature of the period, Hofzinser's immense contributions to the art of magic went very nearly uncredited. This was remedied only when, in 1910, Ottokar Fischer published the first of two volumes on Hofzinser's magic. During Hofzinser's lifetime, from 1806 to 1875, Hofzinser devised so many brilliant magic innovations that it would take another monograph to summarize them. Just a few examples of his incredible inventiveness are Hofzinser created the shell coin, the transparent card, the Hofzinser under the spread cull, the Hofzinser fan force, and he's credited with a top change. The first recorded hand-to-hand palm transfer of cards, the modern half-pass method, the card index, the wild card turnover move. He's also credited with an ace assembly using double-faced cards almost identical to that credited to Mac McDonald's $100 ace trick in Stars of Magic. Um, Hofzinser created the classic plots Everywhere and Nowhere, and many more. Um, and the method on which William H. McCaffrey based his prize winner in Greater Magic, the classic effect now known as premonition, after the popular variation marketed by Eddie Joseph. Hofzinser was also using the bottom palm extensively, while his other magicians around him only used the top palm. So, if you'd like to learn more about Hofzinser, click on the link. I have a Hofzinser project where I have modern variations of Hofzinser. Also, click on the link and get free magic tutorials in my Master Magic course that I'm constantly upgrading. So, if you have any comments on Hofzinser, please leave a comment below. And if you have any questions on Hofzinser or anything related to magic in general, then please leave a comment and have a magical day.